Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope I will happy and do well. So in today's video, viewers, I will show you beautiful button crafts ideas. So friends, I hope I enjoy your videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. So friends, my first idea is viewers. Creative start with the smallest things, even button. This but beautiful button crafts ideas are proof that simple materials can create stunning art, from colorful butterflies to handmade flowers and unique wall decoration. Every design looks so charming and creative, a perfect way to reuse all buttons and turn them into something special. Diagrams are not just fun, they bring imagination to life. Stay creative and follow for more amazing handmade ideas and your friends. Here's my next idea is cute and cozy style. This button crafts are giving to a cozy vibe, bright color, cute patterns, and handmade beauty in every piece. You can decorate photo frames, jar, greeting cards, and even make button art for your room. Easy, foldable, and perfect for crafts lover. And friends, viewers, sometimes the simple crafts become the most beautiful ones. So my next idea is friends. Looking for easy and beautiful dye ideas? Try this amazing button crafts. Use simple colorful button. You can create elegant decoration, creative artwork, and unique handmade gifts. These ideas are very friendly and perfect for kids. Etiquette, box, and friends. Let's